Hi. Okay, as you noticed, well, look at this hair. Look at that. Isn't it weird? It is a weird hair. And not only that, well, it's really unmanageable. So you know what? I thought it was gonna be okay to have this haircut, but now I'm not happy about it. I don't know. When I really want to have something and then finally I get it, I'm not happy about it anymore. So it's just me. I mean, seriously. But maybe I could make an effort to kind of blow dry it like this way instead of rolling it this way, because I rolled it this morning. I took a shower and of course I rolled the roller brush, kind of doing it this way, but I guess my hairdresser went this way, so it'd be less cluttered, or it would be like kind of straight. I don't know. But what I did here, that's why it looks like this, is I curled it this morning. I curled it just on the top. I curled it like that. This morning it was okay. It was really good. But then I went to my doctor, my eye doctor, and yeah, I didn't realize that the wind is blowing 45 miles per hour, and it's just weird to have this curl on my hair. And then I actually use kind of that spray gel, so if it is kind of blown away by wind or whatnot, then it's gonna go like this. So that's what happened. That's why I have this flyaways and I have this really weird thing going on. But probably my curly hair is gonna work if it's not windy outside. I don't know. I'm gonna check the weather for not tomorrow, because I think we are going to do a lot of things tomorrow at home. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm just gonna go to the library, I think, to study for my exam. And what else did I? Yeah. We are actually doing a lot of renovation in our house, so my room is actually half empty. I'm gonna show you. See that? All my shoes right there. My shoes. Can you see my finger? There. There. My finger. My shoes there are gone. I went it out. Of course, there's my bed. Yeah, in my closet, I cleared it out. What else? My bookshelf. I don't know if you can see it. Wait. Yeah, there you go. My bookshelf is empty. Everything pretty much is empty, except my bed, because wait. Okay. Because we have to evacuate everything. Tomorrow, what do you call that? Not Luna. The Empire, yeah. The Empire guys are gonna go over here tomorrow to take out this really nasty carpet. There you go. The carpet floors, and they will make it into hardwood. I really hope that they make it into hardwood right away, because I am just allergic to all the dust that's accumulated into this carpet. It's just nasty. No matter how much or how frequently you vacuum the floor, it's not enough. It's not enough to take out all the dust. So I mean, I've got 2 weeks or 3 weeks of sneezing and just runny nose, sneezing. My nose is stuffy. My eyes are teary, and everything is like an allergic reaction. So I think it's really the dust, not only the spring allergy, but mostly the dust in my own room. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Gotta go to the library, study, because I have an exam again. And yeah. So I'm gonna check the weather for, I think, for Saturday, of course, I'm working. Sunday, because I'm going to church. Let me just think about what I'm gonna wear in church. Of course, it should be something decent. Not because not because everyone looks decent, but also because I want to. I mean, it's the house of God. Of course, you want to be decent. What do I want? Oh yeah, I actually went to the mall after I went to my eye doctor. Went to the mall, Woodfield Mall, and I looked for something for Mother's Day, you know. And then found out that whenever I look for something for a present or a gift to someone else, I end up buying something for myself too. So that's not good. So instead of buying just a Mother's Day gift, I end up buying the Mother's Day gift and also my stuff. So that's not good. I should really abandon that sort of shopaholic shopaholic attitude of mine. But it's not so bad. I mean, it's I never ever settle for something full price. I mean, I really go for the sale or the clearance, because I mean, really, there's a lot of good stuff in clearance. It's not only, I mean, if they have your size, I mean, you're lucky. But yeah, why would you settle for full price and then all of a sudden you are gonna realize that the one thing that you purchased for full price is gonna be sale next month or next season. So why? Why would you buy for full price, right? So yeah, I always buy in the clearance rack or the sale rack, and you know, happily I got something for myself. I want to show you. This is really a good one. Wait, just give me a sec. Okay, so this is what I got for myself. Yay! Looks like a skirt, but it's not a skirt. Yeah, it's a shorts. Yeah, it's a shorts. See that? Well, you can't really see it, but yeah, it's a shorts, but it looks like a skirt, right? So nice. It's like a navy blue skirts. I don't know what you should call it. But yeah, I got it from Charlotte Russe, and it's only how much is it? $9.99. Originally $14. Can you see it? There you go. So now it's $9.99. So yeah, I mean, it's really cute. I always want to have something, what do you call this? Something short for the summer, you know, but I don't really want to go for the denim shorts because it's hot. Like, it really is hot. And I don't like skirts too, because in the end I'm gonna have to buy something inside so that when the wind blows, it's not gonna show my undies. So this is so nice because it is already a shorts that looks like a skirt. So yeah, time is running out, so see you guys later. Bye.